Hey everybody, welcome back. This is a video for lesson number 2, the rule of thirds. Remember we talked about the word composition? Well, there are actually certain things you can do to make your pictures more interesting and creative. These things are called the rules of composition. They aren't rules that you have to follow, but when you use them, they do make your pictures more exciting. The first rule we'll look at is called the rule of thirds. Imagine lines that divide your frame into 3 equal parts, both up and down and side to side, kind of like a tic-tac-toe board. When you take a picture, using the rule of thirds means that you place your subject on one or more of those dividing lines. Take a look at this picture. A lot of times we place the subject right in the middle, but let's see what happens when we move it over. Without changing anything else, by using the rule of thirds and placing our subject on 1/3 of the frame, it made our picture more interesting. Let's look at that picture again with the rule of thirds grid. Remember, the rule of thirds means that you place your subject on one or more of those dividing lines. We place the boys on the right and bottom dividing lines. When 2 lines meet like this, it's called an intersection. You don't have to put the subject on an intersection, but when you imagine the grid, try to place your subject on one or more of those lines. Here are a few more examples. In this picture, the little boy is leaning to the left. When you use a rule of thirds, pay attention to what's going on and use what looks natural in your composition. Look at this picture. Notice how the couple are on both the bottom and left third of the picture. Last one. In this picture, it makes sense for us to put the boy on the right side of the picture with the space on the left because that's how he's sitting. Okay guys, that's the end of our video. Remember, you can find a copy in the photography lessons folder. You can watch this video again if you need any help remembering, and all of our words can be found in the glossary. What's next? You can watch Hamish. He'll be explaining the rule of thirds activity. Then pick up your camera and you can practice using the rule of thirds in the next 2 shooting assignments. Thanks for joining me. I hope you had fun learning about the rule of thirds. I'm excited for you to start using this idea behind the camera. Have fun, and I'll see you in the next video for lesson number 3, the use of lines. Bye!